Hi, I'm Chef Randle here with BC Egg. Today, we're making a golden BC corn and crab cake. We're gonna pair it with a fresh local corn salsa and a creamy sriracha lime dipping sauce. Perfect for summer, perfect for the patio. Let's go. Canola oil, BC bell pepper, some BC corn, our fresh BC egg, mayonnaise, grainy Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, finely sliced green onion, some minced local parsley, fresh squeezed lime juice, some fine sea salt, ground black pepper, cayenne pepper, panko breadcrumbs, fresh local crab. All right, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to saute off our beautiful local pepper and our amazing summer corn. We're gonna add a little bit of canola oil right into our pan, bell pepper, corn. We're gonna saute these just 2-3 minutes, just kind of liven them up, soften them just ever so slightly. So let's get this into a bowl and in the fridge for 15 minutes or so, just until it's nice and cold. Our fresh BC egg, mayonnaise, grainy Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, finely sliced green onion, some minced local parsley, fresh squeezed lime juice. Get that mixed in. Season, a little salt, a little pepper, and just a pinch of cayenne. Fresh local crab right inside, toasted panko crumbs. And then from there, we've got our egg wash. So we're gonna take our beautiful BC eggs, and add a little bit of milk. So how you make your crab cakes is up to you. How big, how small. I like to use a little ring mold. So we're gonna make some pretty hefty sized crab cakes. From here, I'll just spoon it into my ring mold. Compact it just a little bit. Again, we want to just really preserve all that beautiful lump crab. Don't want to squish it too much, but we do need it to hold together. So when we have our beautiful crab cakes, the flour will stick to the crab cake, the egg will stick to the flour, the breading will stick to the eggs. We've got our hot pan. We're gonna start with a little bit of oil. On go our crab cakes. Want that nice sizzle. We're gonna put these in a 400-degree oven, about 10-12 minutes. The crab is cooked, everything's cooked. We just need to make sure they're nice and warm. Now that our beautiful crab cakes are in the oven, we have a few minutes to make some amazing sides. Local corn, BC bell pepper, some grape tomatoes, cilantro, jalapeno, and some red onion. Give this a quick mix together. A little bit of salt. We're going to add the juice of 1 lime. And there you have it. Crispy, flavorful crab cakes with a spicy, tangy finish. Thanks for cooking with me and BC Egg.